you're actually looking here is now the world's largest plastic cup pyramid. You now have a new Guinness World Records title.
As a child, I have always hated to read. I hated all books except one. In fact, I would go to my school library just for this. This one right here, the Guinness Book of World Records. It made me feel happy and transported me to some other world only. I loved flipping through its pages and seeing various records. And in cricket too, I had heard people breaking world records. And also in swimming, in football, in music, and many more things. As a kid, you intake a lot from your surroundings. And you eventually want to do things that you see around you. Well, now I also want to set a world record. For the next 7-8 years, I remained clueless how this would ever be possible. But it always stayed at the back of my mind. I got admission to Hansraj College for a subject that I never studied before, which is economics. As the classes started, I developed a hatred towards the subject and instead started to do other things, like applying for various world records. I got rejected for all of them until application reference number. Hello Kushagar Kayal, we are pleased to inform you that your application has been accepted under the following title: Largest Plastic Cup Pyramid. Guys, I couldn't have been happier. पहला रिएक्शन क्या था when I came to you to share this idea?
मेरा नाम प्रदीप दयाल है, मैं कुशागर का फादर हूँ। एक्चुअली जब कुशागर ने गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाने के बारे में बताया तो हमने तो पहले किताबों में, टीवी में सिर्फ सुनते थे, पढ़ते थे गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड के बारे में, लेकिन जब इसने बताया तो विश्वास ही नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि अपने घर में हमारा बच्चा एक ऐसी चीज़ कहे कि गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड करने की बात, तो विश्वास ही नहीं हुआ।
I am Harshad. I am Kushag's very old friend. We met in college first year में. I think I was one of the first person in college with whom you discussed about your plan. उस time में I was quite overwhelmed कि we would be attempting Guinness World Record और हाँ यार हम World Record books में आने वाले हैं।
Well, अभी तक तो सब एकदम बढ़िया जा रहा था. But I know that things are about to get wild from now on. Okay, let's pause the story here. And मैं पहले आपको उस रिकॉर्ड के बारे में बता देता हूँ थोड़ा सा. So the record that I am going to attempt is called largest plastic cup pyramid. तो जो अभी current existing record जो है वो एक पिरामिड का है जो 48,000 कप से बनाया गया था और ये मेक्सिको में बनाया गया था. Another thing is that this pyramid will have to be made somewhere indoors because if you make outdoors then हवा, बारिश से वो आप नहीं बचा पाओगे उसको, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज आप कोई भी एडेसिव नहीं यूज कर सकते जैसे फेविकॉल, फेविक्विक. यू कांट स्टिक द कप्स, आपको बस रखने हैं उनको. अनदर थिंग इज दैट ये जो पिरामिड बनेगा दिस विल बी समवेयर अराउंड 20 फीट या उससे ज्यादा. सो 20 फीट इज लाइक सेकंड फ्लोर जो आपके घर का होता है, काफी ज्यादा हाइट होगी, राइट? लुक गाइस, आई वाज जस्ट 18 एट दैट टाइम. All of this was very new for me. I had no idea, I had no clue how any of this had to be done. So basically on one hand I had this work of Guinness World Record and on the other hand मेरी वो economic honors चल रही थी जिससे मुझे घंटा कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा था. तो मैंने सोचा यार पढ़ाई तो होती रहेगी, पढ़ाई साइड करो, एंड मैंने Guinness World Record का काम शुरू कर दिया. So I started by practicing to make the pyramid घर पे with my parents. मतलब थोड़े से कप हम खरीद के ले आए थे एंड उससे बनाने की कोशिश करी. Also I started talking to the officials from the Guinness World Record because there was a lot of paperwork and a lot of agreements had to be signed. So ये सब एकदम शुरू में हो जाता है after you get the confirmation कि you are eligible to make the pyramid. Okay, let's go back to the story now. So what were few problems that you and the people you were working with faced?
So I'm Mika. And my role was basically doing the marketing and promotion of it. So we didn't know that, you know, क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, कब करना है, क्यों करना है. So it was very unpredictable and it wasn't like full time. Everybody had other stuff. We were still attending college. We were still, some of us were working, I remember. Everybody was living in different parts. So it was like very difficult to coordinate and very unpredictable.
मैं पूनम दयाल, कुशागर की मदर. जब शुरुआत हुई, एक तो वो कप का साइज की दिक्कत बहुत आई है. उसमें यही नहीं समझ आ रहा था कौन सा साइज लिया जाए. सेकेंडली ये लगा कि हवा डिस्टर्ब करेगी उस चीज़ को. तो हमारे पास तो घर में कितनी लिमिटेड जगह होती है, उतने लिमिटेड जगह में हो पाएगा कैसे, उतना हम बना भी नहीं पा रहे थे. हाइट का भी इशू आ रहा था, बहुत सारे इश्यूज थे.
Each day I could see a lot more work getting added on सो मैंने कुछ ऐसे लोगों को ढूंढने की कोशिश करी जिन्होंने गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड पहले से करा हुआ था एंड हु कुड ऑल्सो गाइड मी इन दिस एंटायर प्रोसेस. तो सबसे पहले आई फाउंड दिस गाय हरप्रकाश ऋषि, who is also known as Guinness Rishi. So he has the record for the most number of tattoos on his body, but he didn't help me at all. मतलब वो बंदा इतना नेगेटिव था and in fact वो demotivate कर रहा था कि मत करो, rather than motivating की and guiding की कैसे करना है. So nothing happened with him. Then I found another guy from SRCC. His name is Mrityunjay Sharma. So he had the record in playing the piano for 127 hours straight, which was an amazing record. So he did guide me a little bit on how to approach things, but again that was not sufficient enough for me to go ahead and do the work for my own record. And ऐसे करते करते I did meet a couple more people, but I couldn't find someone who could properly guide me. So it was all a waste of time only. And बहुत जल्दी मुझे समझ आ गया कि सब कुछ मुझे खुद ही करना पड़ेगा. ट्रायल एंड एरर करके करके ही शायद से चीज़ें हो पाएंगी. ऐसा तो कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था बिकॉज so there were hell lot of things that were going on at the same time. But mostly 4 चीज़ें चल रही थी, which are as follows. First was strategizing on how to build such a massive pyramid. Second was to decide a date for the record attempt, which was again very important. Third was to plan for the entire big event. And the fourth and the last one was to get money to do all of these things. And now for each of these I can tell you a lot of stories, but I'll try to keep it as short as possible. So for strategy, I did a lot of practice sessions with my parents and the team. And I kept on noting the important points in a diary, which kind of later helped me to make the main pyramid that we had to make. For the date, I decided to do it somewhere around my birthday, which is 15th of September. For the event, I got a bunch of my friends, which eventually became a team of 21 people from my college itself. And for the money, my dad kind of said कि वो तू मुझ पे छोड़ दे and I'll figure that out for you. तो वो उन्होंने संभाल दिया पूरा.
जैसे जैसे ये मेरे से पूछता गया, मैं सलाह देता गया, कुछ अपने साथियों से सलाह ली, क्योंकि हम तो एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से हैं, तो फाइनेंस की भी प्रॉब्लम थी, लॉजिस्टिक प्रॉब्लम्स भी थी. जैसे जैसे उसमें घुसते गए तो धीरे धीरे काम बनता गया.
Somehow things did get figured out and we started with the record attempt. We got to know our speed, which helped us to know an approximate time it would take us to build the pyramid, which was around 60 hours. During our practice, we had realized we would need some sort of a crane as the height would be more than 20 feet. Also based on our practice sessions, we had strategized how we would make the pyramid. The work happened non-stop for the next 60 hours and the entire team took turns to sleep and to build what would become the world record. But I was constantly awake to oversee anything and everything that was being done.
Hello guys, it's 4:30 a.m. on 16th of September and as you can see behind me the work is still going on. We have been working all night without AC, but yes, we are working.
After the first 24 hours, I became extremely tired and sleep deprived. I was surviving on hardly 2-3 hours of sleep for the last 2 nights. I had very low energy to do anything now.
मुझे लग रहा था कि हमारा थोड़ा स्पीड कम है, तो आई आस्क्ड यू कि यार अभी नाइट में भी करते हैं, तो इसे ठीक है. तो आई हैड अ जूनियर विद मी, वो मी एंड हिम woke up till 5 or 5:30 a.m. और ऊपर we used a crane that night, so that was काफ़ी time consuming.
It's the third day of building the pyramid. So much planning, so many people, so much efforts, high hopes, and here we could see it translate in front of our eyes. None of us could believe what we were seeing in front of us. There had been so many people who had contributed towards this, but I think my parents' contribution was the most. Finally, the countdown timer has started when we get to know the result.
Yeah, I would definitely say nervousness बहुत थी उस दिन, because everybody was like, you know, बन गया है, but अगर उस duration, like उसी दिन में by chance something goes wrong, then it will be so heartbreaking because इतने टाइम से मेहनत कर रहे हैं, and then in just a matter of day it all goes to hell. So that was there.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Swapnil Dagrikar. I am the official adjudicator for Guinness World Records in India and Asia. You're all gathered here to see this plastic pyramid which stands just besides us. You already know they've already told you what the numbers are, but it's not just the numbers that get you the record. As the team and as Kushagra knows, there are a lot of guidelines that you have to follow. Even if you're missing out on one of those guidelines, it could be possible that you would not get the record. तो आप में से किसी को अगर लगे कि the record sounds very easy to do, but if you go ahead and try to attempt any of the records, there are over 60,000 records available in the Guinness database. So just try one of them and you'll understand that it takes a lot of hard work, a lot of planning to achieve a record. So the current record for the largest plastic cup pyramid is held by a team in Mexico, which is 42,925 plastic cups. What do you think? Have they got the record or not over here? Do you think they have made it successfully? Well, we've gone through all the guidelines. I was here in the morning. We've checked everything. There was a team with me of witnesses and surveyors who made the measurement. We counted all the cups at the base. We saw a video for the last 3 days. I would like to say that what you're actually looking here is now the world's largest plastic cup pyramid. You now have a new Guinness World Record title. I would like to say that you are now officially amazing.
I request all the team members to be on stage, please. All the team members who have worked so hard and consistently with Kushagra.
और ऐसे बनता है रिकॉर्ड। जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करें इस टीम का। And we are Team India। हम सब एक बार जोरदार तालियां इंडिया के लिए लगाएंगे। भारत माता की इंडिया at Cameron Stadium, New Delhi। मैक्सिको के पास पहला, इससे पहले कीर्तिमान था, आज भारत ने नया
झरझर आंखों से आंसू बहने लगे। मैं अपने इमोशन शेयर नहीं कर सकती।
We just wanted to dance on that day and celebrate.
Every time I watch this video na जहाँ पे we get this such pretty trophy, I can't stop myself from crying because it's so special. Like getting this was such a big dream. Like all my childhood, I have always wanted to have my name in the Guinness Book of World Records. And इस पूरे में यार 10-12 साल लग गए. And it consumed us so much. And finally, when you have that moment when they're announcing that you've actually broken the world record, it's so special. In fact, I'll read this to you. What's written over here? It says, the largest plastic cup pyramid was created by Kushagra Tayal, India, at Tyagaraja Stadium, New Delhi, on 17th September 2016. Although उसमें नाम मेरा लिखा है, everyone knows this was not a one-person job. It's actually 21 names, the entire team who made this happen. They always will have the special place in my heart. And as we celebrate 5 years of this world record, I am really happy that I was able to think of something like this and actually be able to execute this thing. What started as just a observation or just a passion in the childhood actually became to be something very big. After remaining clueless and having absolutely no idea how things will happen, to actually figuring out one thing at a time, I think we did get there somehow. And after facing so many problems and roadblocks, I can definitely say that there's so much I've got to learn from these 6 months of the record attempt that we did. I mean, surely there were days and times when I felt terrible. I questioned myself. I was like, yaar, kyun kar rahe ye sab? Like, no one else is kind of doing all of this so much. So why are you putting so much pressure on you? But I think after we successfully did it, that brought in all the answers with itself. Like literally, I was almost in every newspaper on the next day, and itne zyada phones aa rahe the because the news had leaked in the media already, and everyone was so eager to get to know the information and how the entire thing happened. It was as if like all of a sudden I have become a celebrity, and like what it felt was totally out of the world, guys. 90 to 95% of the people जो मुझे जानते थे, they were so happy and they were like कि now I know someone who is a Guinness World Record holder, and they were so happy. They congratulated me. But like the other 5 to 10%, like I think some people got a little jealous, or they were not happy to see me grow or do something good. So that, and from the team also, like there are some people who I really loved, who were very close to my heart, who I thought I would always be friends with. So those friendships broke. To this day I am very sad कि यार I wish those people could be in my life. But again, I think कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ होना पड़ता है, and I think this was the price I had to pay for this particular thing. So yeah guys, this was my story of how things happened, how I did the Guinness Book of World Records, and I love this, and I love this, absolutely love this, honestly love this. I can't stop saying this. But thank you so much guys for watching this video. This was amazing. Thank you so much for spending your time watching this video. And lastly guys, this is what the essence of One Life is. When you start doing things that you love, you're gonna be happy from the bottom of your core, which is something that you might have seen in me after doing this particular record attempt. मतलब मैं इतना खुश हूँ. I mean 5 साल पहले हुई थी ये चीज़, and अभी भी I get so happy. So yeah guys, one life is all you have, and I really wish that you guys just do you. And yes, I will see you all in the next video with a different and new kind of experience. Bye guys.